guys, my name is Maahek Nair. A very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. Today we're doing paneer masala crackers. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Hi guys, today we're doing paneer masala crackers. The ingredients for the same are first rice cake. Next I have is 50 grams of chopped paneer, 10 grams of chopped onion and few parsley. Next we need is oregano, a pizza pasta sauce and some salt. So in a plate, we're going to go in for 2 crackers. First we're going to apply the sauce to our crackers like a base. It's super easy and really quick. Now to this I'm going to add my chopped paneer and parsley. And now we're going to add some salt to it. And lastly some oregano. And our paneer masala crackers are ready. Our super easy and yummy paneer masala crackers are ready. Trust me, they just take 5 minutes cooking time and you have awesome, amazing meal which is ready. Paneer is loaded with good amount of protein and minerals. At the same time, they are super filling. Thank you so much for watching my recipe. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get information of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition and amazing awesome recipes. Thank you and lots of love.